Good morning, viewers. Step into our S Square Maths YouTube channel. This is your Santosh. So far, we gone through the various problems of NTSC. The same we are continuing now. This class plays important role for the competitive examinations without going through the descriptive manner. So let us switch on to here. NTSC 2016-17, and this is nothing but MCQ made simple. So it is falls under our Olympiads also, multiple choice questions. So two problems I am going to discuss without subjective way, I am going to discuss in the completely objective, strictly to say that without pen and paper itself also. Okay, in the simple steps I am going to explain, please watch. So now if the sum of the digits of a 2-digit number is 9, the difference between the number and the number formed by reversing the digits is 45, then the number is. So you know very well that a 2-digit number. So ABCD, all the options are 2-digit numbers. Two conditions were given. We have to satisfy two conditions to get the final answer. So let us switch on here now. So go through the options just like here, trial and error method, hit and trial method. So going through A option, 8 plus 1 is 9. Next, 7 plus 2 is 9, 4 plus 5 is 9 and 5 plus 4 is 9. Here the first condition totally satisfied. What is our first condition here? If the sum of the digits of a 2-digit number is 9, sum of the digits. So here none of the option has been eliminated because the first condition is satisfied. Now the second condition plays crucial role throughout the problem. The difference between the number and that formed by the reversing the digits is 45. So if you check by options A, B, C, D, the given options, okay, the second condition should be satisfied. 81. Okay, reverse the digit 18. 81 minus 18. Obviously, you won't get 45. Next. So here you can say that A option fails here. Next, going through B option 72. Reverse the digits 27. So the difference 72 minus 27. 72 minus 27 gives you our which one? 45. Okay, so B option here, but let us go through C and D option also sometimes. Okay, so 45 difference 54, anyhow you won't get, as 45 in the same way 54 also you won't get. So by this cross checking with the options, generally you can do without pen and paper in the mind also, your answer is nothing but B option. Next, going through next problem, how many numbers between 10 and 90 are divisible by 8 completely? Nothing but you have to pick up the multiples of 8, which are 2-digit numbers, up to 90 itself. So here, if you observe carefully, let us write all the multiples of 8 from 1 to 100. So 8, 16, 24, 32, 40, 48, 56, 64, 72, 80, 88, next 96. Later you are going to get one, which number? It is a 3-digit number, but they ask a 2-digit number. And if you observe carefully from the options, from the given one, 8 is not valid here. 8 is a 1-digit number because they asked here 10 and 90 here. How many numbers between 10 and 90 only they asked. So here 96 is beyond our 90. So these are the numbers now. So here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So there are 10 natural numbers between 10 and 90 which are divisible by 8 completely. So once again write all the multiples of 8 right from the 1 to 100. 8 is a single digit number, so it is not valid in our case, and 96 is also beyond, it is 90, so it is also not valid. Hence between right from 16 to 88 there are 10 natural numbers divisible by 8 completely. Okay, between 10 and 90. So the final answer is nothing but here 10 stands for our B option.